Now we're just going in with the little cornbread mix here. Pair it to the directions on the box. So we got our milk and our water. Got 1 egg. Then we're just gonna give this a whisk. Get it all combined. Don't over mix it. Just wanna get all that cornmeal hydrated. All right, all combined. Let's let that set for a second. Have our little mini muffin tin. We're gonna spray it down with a little avocado oil. And then we're gonna pour in just about a tablespoon, half a tablespoon worth of the mix. Just fill it about halfway in your little mini muffin tin here. You're gonna have a little displacement in there, so you really wanna go about halfway. I'm not gonna make you watch all of this. So just like that, and we're done. Next thing, we got some sliced smoked sausage, about 1/4 of an inch. It's just the Hillshire Farm smoked sausage you get at your local grocery store. And I just place one right in the middle. It doesn't have to be covered up, you know, by the cornbread mix. Just kind of press it down into it. This is gonna be an awesome little 1-bite little appetizer. They don't have to be perfect. We're covering these bad boys up with cheese anyway. All right, last one, we're done with that. Now, I got a little barbecue sauce, little Flavor Town for my guy Fieri. Hickory barbecue sauce. We're just gonna take and put just a little drop or two, just a little squeeze. Add a little sweetness in there, a little spice, a little kick. Again, I'm not gonna make you watch me do all of these. Last one, we're done. I'm gonna spice things up a little bit. Got some crispy jalapeños. All right, these are kind of like the crispy fried onions that you get for like your Thanksgiving, like your casseroles, for like your green bean casserole, except it's fried jalapeños. Just put a little bit of crunch in there too. Guys, do me a favor, share this one out to all your friends and family. People are gonna be making this dish for the Super Bowl coming up, for any kind of party you got going on. It's gonna be good stuff, y'all. All right, last one right there. You guys with me so far? Hit the thumbs up, y'all. Last thing, keep it all together. We got a little sharp cheddar, finely shredded. And we're just gonna put a little over the top of each of these. The cheese is gonna get nice and melty and golden brown on top. And you're gonna make a mess on the tray here, don't worry. It'll come off. These are little flavor bombs, I'm telling you right now. Last one done. Y'all, I know it don't look like much right now, but trust me, this is gonna be something spectacular. Guys, these are ready to go in the oven. 10, 15 minutes. You wanna make sure your cornbread's cooked all the way through. Cheese is nice and melty and golden brown. I'll see you in a second. All right, all out of the oven. Nice and crispy. Cheese is nice and crunchy. Got a nice crispness on the outside. Guys, these are gonna be amazing. Let's get them out. Got these all dug out. Beautiful color on the outside here. Cooked all the way through. Crispy bits on the edges. Guys, this is gonna be amazing. Can't wait to give it a try. Let's go. All right, y'all. Time for the moment I've all been waiting for. Guys, there's so much flavor packed into this little bite. Cheers, y'all. Oh, hot. Woo. Oh my gosh. So good. But it's burning the hell out of my mouth. Gotta practice that patience, boys and girls. Let them cool down a little bit. So much flavor going on. Spicy jalapenos. Got that sweet barbecue sauce. That honey cornbread thing going on from Famous Dave's. smoked sausage. Guys, crispy cheese. This is the perfect bite for your appetizers. All right. One thing I didn't mention was I put it in at 425. I went 15 minutes. I think it had gone 12 or 13. Probably would have been a little bit better because there's some a little bit more crunchier than I want, a little more color than I wanted. But man, this bite right here is amazing. Give this a try. Because you know it's good, baby.